Man, she even bound me for a block like that. There's a cop behind her though. Here comes a crazy broad. Did you see that?
I didn't see anything.
She just found me for like 2 blocks, just laying on the horn, tailgate me and then backing off, tailgate me and backing off.
Where'd she go?
She went straight that way. It was a silver van. She was coming all the way down past the police station just on me, and I was over in the parking lane riding, and she was still honking. So when I had to make the right-hand turn, left-hand turn, I had to get out into traffic, and people in line over here were like, when I came around the corner, like, what the hell was that? I'm like,
Alrighty, well, I'll go see if I can catch up.
yeah, she was being aggressive. I mean, she was on me and then backing off, and I'd slow down and get over, and she wouldn't even go by me. She just stayed behind me honking.
Okay.
So,
Alrighty.
all right, thanks.
Be safe.
No problem. Are you the one honking at me?
Hell yeah.
What's your problem?
I'm not going to argue with you right here.
It's not an argument. I just asked you what
Roads
your...
are for cars, not for bikes.
Sorry, you don't know the law.
One of us don't.
Yeah, well, call a cop.
Thank you for getting out of the way.
Call a cop.
Then I could drive the limit.
Bike has just as much right to the road as a car does.
If you're bike, you might get one.
I'm looking for one.
You're stupid.
Right back at you, lady.
Just go out there and get yourself killed. Don't keep that up.
Is that a threat?
But don't do that in front of me.
Is that a threat? Is that a threat?
We'll find somebody else to pick on.
Call a cop.
How do you know I didn't?
I'm waiting. Where are they at?
Get the hell away from me!
I'm not near you.
Get away from me!
I'm not near you.
Get away from me!
What's going on?
I don't want this guy bothering me.
What's the issue?
He's picking a fight.
Yeah, I'm picking a fight.
What happened?
I'm waiting for the cop to come back by here. She'll find out.
Where's the cop at?
Don't you have
Looking for
somewhere
her?
to go?
That's
Go
none of
do it.
that's none of your business. Let's see.
Go do it. Get the hell away from me.
7848970.
Go find somebody else and get out of my way.
You're not going anywhere, are ya?
I want to get away.
Call the cop.
If you're smart, you will.
Call the cop.
Thank you.
I'll call the cops.
I might be able to get the hell out of here.
She's got a problem with cyclists using the road.
Running me on the road? You gotta be kidding.
Sorry, cyclists have a right to the
Go
road.
find somebody else to pick on.
I didn't follow you for 3 blocks blaring the horn riding my butt, lady. I am, 'cause I just talked to one whenever we made the turn.
No, I just don't want him any closer. I have to walk by and I don't want him any closer.
I'm not a threat.
I think you might be.
Whatever.
There's something wrong with you. Get the hell away from me.
She followed me for like 3 blocks blaring the horn on my ass because I was on the road. And when I came around the corner up there was a cop sitting, and I even told him, hey, behind me. And she stopped honking then, and then I pulled over and I talked to him, told him what happened. He went looking for her. I said, she just went down this way. He didn't know she pulled over here to get some gas. So I saw her, so I just now pulled in. Hoping I can see the cop.
Yeah, it's, you know, this stuff happens though, man.
Yeah, hey man, I got sideswiped last year. I got people throw stuff at me. It's bullshit. Bicycles have a right to the road. If I'm being a jerk or something, but when I can, I get over the cars go by. I'm not an idiot. But the reality is, if there's nowhere else to ride, bicycles have a right to the road.
Yeah, I mean, you know, I was just making sure y'all weren't fighting.
I'm not a violent dude, man. She's kind of out there, you know?
It's all good.
Yeah, but yes, I understand you stopping, man. I'm just waiting for the cop to show up again. Because one just went by here. If I follow you? Really?
You already followed